And finally, here we have week 5, part 6 of 6. These are the last instructions for the quilt top, except for the borders if you're doing the borders. And you have your final 3 blocks, 18, 19, and 20. So now let's look at the block. Here's block 18, and it's a herringbone setting. You can leave it like this, or you can lay it this way in your quilt, whichever way you like best. Block 19 is just a frame on point, and these triangles in the corner are pointing in. There was a similar one, I think it was block 13. It was the same center part, the frame part, but the triangles in the corner were pointing out instead of pointing in. And then finally, our last block is half square triangles shaped like flying geese. And they're all in a row, so you can have them up, you can have them to the left, down, or to the right, any way you want. And now let's see the final quilt layout in the rows.